Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear students, I Neelam Ashok Gole would like to welcome you on our YouTube channel. Here I am there for you to help in your studies. This is our first poem, Pipa's Song of Third Standard. We are going to understand. This is our first poem, and name of the poem is Pipa's Song. Yes. Now, before starting the poem, just we will understand warm up first. Have you spent your day in the open air? First question is asked to you. Have you spent your day in the open air? Have you ever gone in the open air? Have you ever spent your day in an open air? How did you feel? See, if you have spent your day in an open air, how do you feel there? Yes. What did you see? And when you go outside in the open air, what did you see there? Share with your class. And what you have to do? Whatever your experience is there, you have to share with your class. Now, dear student, you may have raised a question in your mind that you are not in the class. How shall you share these things? But you can comment me, you can give your comments and share with me, even share with all those they are watching this video from all over the world. Yes, not all over the India, not all over the Maharashtra. Our videos are reaching to all over the world. Now this is, let's read. We'll start it. The years at the spring and days at the morning at 7, the hillsides dew pearled, the larks on the wing, the snail on the throne, God's in his heaven, all's right with the world. See, there are only 8 lines are there, but those 8 lines are very valuable and giving a good meaning to you. Yes. See, the years at the spring, dear student, we have seasons. Yes or no? Rainy season is there, summer season is there, spring season is there, autumn is there. So this is the spring season of the year. And days at the morn, and days had started. Morning is that morning at 7, and this is the 7 o'clock at the morning. The hillsides dew pearled. Dew pearled means what, dear student? The dew drops look like pearls. Dew pearl means dew drops are there. Where are those dew drops? These dew drops are near the hill. Yes, the hill is there. You can see. At the hillside there are dewdrops. The larks on the wing and birds, they are flying in the sky. They are making different kind of noise. Yes, even you may also feel in the morning birds are there. Birds are coming at your gallery, at your window, otherwise in front of your house, and making different kinds of sound at the morning. Yes, the snails on the throne, God's in his heaven, all right with the world. And they here poet has Robert Bowen has explained that all the things in the spring season, the morning he has described of the spring season at 7 o'clock. And even poet is telling the snail it is where it is on the throne. Yes. Now God's in his heaven, all's right with the world. And this is the picture which Robert Bowen, the poet of this poem, has described for us. It says that this is the God's heaven. Yes, what is it? This is the God's heaven. And all right, God is there with all the things, all the world. Yes, God is there with the all the world. So this much beauty we can find. Why we can find this? We can see God is there. Yes, do you understand this poem? Again I am reading this for you. The years at the spring and days at the mornings at 7, the hillsides dew pearl, the larks on the wing, the snails on the thorn, God's in his heaven, all's right with the world. And the poet of is Robert Bowen. Let's see the exercise of this poem. See, exercise. Spring rhymes with wing and 7 rhymes with heaven. See, the rhyming word of spring is what? Wing, and 7 is what? Heaven. So, 3 rhyming words they have given, and we are going to find out the pair of rhyming words. Yes, what is the first one? Fear. Yes, what is the rhyming word of fear? Is the ear. What is the rhyming word of the fear? Is the ear. Few. Second is few. What is the rhyming word of few? Is the dew. Yes, and white. Right. Yes. Now our question second is answer the following questions. What is our question second? Answer the following questions. Which season is the poet referring to? Dear students, we have understood the poem Pippa's song, but which season poet is referring in this poem? Poet is referring to spring season in this poem. Which season is he referring? He is referring spring season. Yes. Now describe the hillside. In the morning at 7 o'clock, hillsides had dew pearl. Means dew pearls are there both the sides of hill. What does the poet mean by saying larks on the wing? Poet mean to say that bird is on the wing, means at the morning of spring season at 7 o'clock birds are there flying in the sky. Understood, dear student? This was the exercise which they have given here. Now activity, is there any song or poem that makes you happy? Tell your friends about it or sing to them. See, here we have understood Pippa's song, and this poem is very nice. And as same like if you know any poem or song, you can discuss in the class, or you may sing it for your friends. Understood? This was the first poem. Dear student, we have understood. Thanks to listen me. And dear student, please subscribe our channel and like it and share it, so your other friends also will get benefit of this explanation of the lessons. Yes, and all the lessons of English, science, SST, maths will be available on our channel. Thank you.